Yes, 12th bio students, we are doing here steps of recombinant DNA technology. Which steps we involve in recombinant DNA technology? First of all, isolation of desired DNA. Second, cutting of desired DNA. After that, desired DNA ligation. Fourth, amplification. Next, after amplifications, insertion. And last, culturing methods. Yes, in first of all isolation, we can, for example, it is desired type of DNA, we will isolate to this DNA from the cell with the help of many enzymes. After that, we will cut to desired segment from the cell with the help of restriction endonuclease enzyme. This restriction endonuclease enzyme is known as a molecular scissor. After that, we can insert that desired type of DNA where into vector. How we will insert it? For example, it is a vector. It has their own genetic materials. With the help of restriction endonuclease, we can cut their genetic material, and after that, we can insert desired DNA here into the vector. Yes, in the amplification process, this is also known as a PCR, polymerase chain reaction. And here we can form many copies of desired DNA segment. For example, here we have only one DNA segment, and with the help of PCR technique, we can form many copies here. 100 to 1000 copies we can form with the help of PCR technique. After that, with the help of vector, we can insert to desired DNA segment. For example, we are using here the bacteriophage vector. It is bacteriophage. It has their own genetic materials, and with the help of restriction endonuclease, cut their genetic material and ligation of desired DNA here. And with the help of this vector, for example, this is host cell. And with the help of this vector, we can insert to desired DNA segment. When their genetic material will inserted here into cell, as well as that desired DNA segment also inserted into host cell here. And after that, when we will provide to nutrition to these host cells here. For example, this host cell has desired genetic material here in this way, and we can provide the nourishment to the host cells by agar medium, and this process is known as a culturing. Culture means to provide the nutrition to desired material, and after that we can form many products with the help of this DNA. That type of cells have a desired DNA. After that, it will form to desired type of products. Yes, after that we will use here bioreactors. With the help of bioreactor, we can form the desired type of products. Yes, these steps was involved here in recombinant DNA technology through the recombinant DNA technology, we can form the desired type of products. Thank you.